How to transfer domain from Namecheap to GoDaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let us show you how you will be able to initiate the transfer of your domains. So over here, as you can see, we're currently in Namecheap. The basic things that you need to do is that you need to disable your domain lock that you will be able to find under sharing and transfer inside of your managing or your managed domains. Over here, simply unlock your domain lock, which will allow you to transfer your domain. Also, you will be able to get your authorization code over here for the transfer. You can also disable other parts, such as your protection over here. And then you would need to change your name servers as well, of course. And over here in GoDaddy, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the URL or the domain name that you want to transfer, and then it will search up the location or it will search up information about that domain, and then show you the things that you need to do to be able to transfer it, as you can see, such as unlock the domain and get the authorization code. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.